Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Nongrep na West Jaiñtia Hills District, ubatip kerteng kumuba yuluti umban, nagashnong mukhab laskin block, West Jaiñtia Hills District, ulayo ban Pdiang ke Innovative Farmers Award arajar posan, haga Regional Agriculture Fair bela penlong daga Assam Agricultural University Hajarhat. Ia kan Khusnam aidu Atul Bora, Menteri Jongka Kamrep Kamriang, baga Kamri Jingri Jongka Jilla Assam, U Kamakhya Prasad Tasa, Member of Parliament, Nakaziranga Constituency Assam, baru Dr. Bidyut C. Deka, Vice Chancellor Jongka Assam Agricultural University. Uni Nongrep uladan benta banyak trelang, baga Krishi Vigyan Kendra Jaiñtia Hills, hagi Kambayade baga Kamrep Kamriang, baga Hamkongsan baga Kamri Jingri. Ka Jaiñtia ya uni Nongrep ru ke yat lingba ke office Jongka Krishi Vigyan Kendra Jaiñtia Hills. Haga digaski ke bakrau la sandaran lang ya uba ai umbon di subject member specialist Dr. Rimiki Suchang, Senior Research Fellow F. Sutengah beruki pesa neki Viki Jaiñtia Hills.
Is an innovative farmer from the West Jaiñtia Hills, Meghalaya. He has contributed immensely in the field of livestock management through his innovative practices. He has not only adopted and modified several technologies, but has popularized them as well. He has developed a cultivation package for kiwi production, seed production of silkworm, pig feed formulation from locally available resources, and has also constructed an innovative egg-laying clearing for poultry. Many congratulations to Mr. Yang.
Yang yoluti ombon nakachanong mukham. Nekapor senyaw ingo yu belai riya luti yu hagumpoi perkham. Ngari yo o ya kanika award lengba kacing lai luti kawa haga kamrep kamriang lengba ka office ke wike hagajing ya luti ka yongsar rimiki ching tengah riyo upoi hadu negisngi hagani kebentau riyo ya kanika award yang ka innovative format award arajar posan ngasamen don hiyo nampuk Meghalaya wa chajet hago yo ya kanika award karkamte bunsin kinong kanika office ke wike hagajing yalam yong sar da wan ge pada pachi ya kanika kamrep kamriang kayonga karkamte kani man go kuwi kinuksa ha ko kinuksa i hagawo yinyi halaga jongi kijat kanangwo yi wanra yakadap ka biang yakayo ka kot hagayung ka sem wat yakari ka jala ka yong igro ka wi kargam te duiti den hi nga kentu yakhi kam ki prolog perjor wo himpi pat wo butpi yakanu kani kanuksa man go nagwanta ka yo kam yo jam te den hi khublei chibun